I love it when my patients call me honey. Makes me feel young.
It's an expression, you know. I was born in Washington, D.C., and then we lived in New York.
Uh-huh.
And from there we went to Florida. Our parents were into Miami Beach. They bought hotels, things like that.
Oh, in Miami Beach?
Yeah.
During its heyday?
Yeah.
50s and 60s?
Yeah, and she had a condo down there. And I met my husband at a service center on 10th Avenue at Ocean Drive. He was in the military. So that's how I came back here.
Oh, so your husband's from here?
Yeah.
Okay.
From the north side. But everything was honey. You know, my uncles from New York would say honey.
Right. What kills me is when you have a waitress who's like half my age, and she calls me honey.
I love it.
You're like, no, not appropriate. When I was a waitress, back when I was in school, there were some waitresses who used to get really annoyed if the customers called them honey.
Really?
And I didn't care.
Just go with the flow.
Yeah. I had one guy want to set me up with his son. I was a lot younger, thinner, and cuter.
Right.
But, you know. So you've lived in Minnesota your whole married life?
Yeah, 54 years.
Wow.
Yeah. It's been a good life. Got 2 kids. My daughter's a teacher. My son's an accountant, and he moved to Washington, D.C. after his wife just couldn't deal with it one here.
The weather?
No, the woman I was married to.
Oh, okay. So we got a divorce and moved cross country.
Yeah, he moved with us from, of course, where's they going to dump all the stuff?
Your house.
You got it.
Okay. How many kids do you have?
2.
Okay, and the second one lives here still?
Yes, she's a teacher in Robbinsdale.
Okay.
And her son just started college.
Nice.
Yes, he's going to Hennepin County because he figures might as well stay in town. I don't have to pay for rent. And he saved all his money when he was working since he was 14. He says, Grammy, I've got enough money for 2 years. I said, honey, don't waste it. We'll help you. Your mom will help you, you know?
Well, and now I just heard something about forgiving student loan debt.
Right, but didn't take any loans.
Yeah.
Of course, my daughter's loan from St. Thomas is all paid off.
I know. You know, it's kind of hard to not be jealous and feel judgmental, but you just go, whatever helps people.
Those kids can get help, go for it.
Yeah. All right, so this is our prize winner right here. Listen.
Good baby.
I'm going to get the big pepper.
How are we going to do this one?
Little piece at a time.
Okay, Hans. No more flying to the moon.
Yeah. I always said I should put a target on the wall or something.
That's really strong for some of these. It's hard.
Well, they come off in chunks, so we can do a little bit at a time. And you let me know if anything I'm doing is hurting.
Nothing's hurting.
Okay. So we love big chunks. We cannot lie. We love big chunks.
Big chunks make it easier.
Yeah. That was a nice big one. Now, because of your circulation, Medicare will pay it for you to come in every few months and have me do this.
Yes, that was another question I was going to ask.
So your husband doesn't have to try anymore, because I bet you yell at him when he tries.
Well, he just says, I'm not going to do it. I said, okay.
Okay.
We don't argue anymore. Only when it's important, really important.
Yeah,
you know?
If I were him, I wouldn't tackle these either,
No.
and so that's probably appropriate. But yeah, if we can, most people need to come between 2 and 3 months somewhere.
Okay.
And so what I do is I start people at 2.5 months.
Okay.
And then at your next appointment, we can adjust up or down.
Okay. Sounds good to me.
Okay.
You're the master chef.
Well, you wouldn't call me that if you'd been at my house last night. Even master chefs can have disasters.
Oh, tell me. Anybody can have disasters. I needed some fine noodles. Couldn't find extra fine egg noodles. Because I would take them and I fry them up. And then I would mix them with cooked rice and soup. And I'd make this rice and noodle dish.
Ooh.
And it was really good. It was my mother-in-law's recipe. And couldn't find it. Barley's used to carry it. The Cub used to carry it. No one carried it. So my husband found a place in St. Louis Park. That's it. So he brings me 5 bags.
They won't go bad.
Well, my grandkids love the rice and noodle dish. So.
All right, so now I'm going to thin these out.
Gotcha.
And you'll feel the vibration, but you shouldn't feel anything that hurts, okay?
Okay.
So you let me know.
All right.
This is just a bunch of dead skin and stuff. It's caught under there. All right.
What do I do about the callus that goes on?
I'm going to trim that down for you.
Oh, you would too? Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Yeah, it looks better than the flying high that toenail.
Yeah, and after they're injured, you said you dropped a bottle of what?
Oh, shampoo. Those economy size.
Oh, no. Yeah. So once the growth center of the nail back here gets injured, usually it'll make thicker nail.
Oh.
And so that's kind of what happened. Now.
So we'll keep an eye on that if I come every 2.5 months.
Exactly. And then, all right, so this we call a pinch callus.
Ooh, yeah.
And it's because the skin gets pinched between the ground and the bone. And it's just a function of how you're walking. Nothing that you've done or didn't do to cause it. It's just because of your anatomy. When the skin gets pressure or friction, it'll get thick. All right, well, thank you very much for letting us do the video.
Oh, I thank you for doing what you're doing to my foot, honey. I'm just telling you. You're a godsend.
Oh, well, that makes my day.
We asked, and here's what you had to say about Rustmore.
The cool thing is I wake up refreshed, don't feel groggy.
I slept really well, and I have like no residual, like, you know, sleepy, drowsy feeling.
Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, Rustmore.
That's right, Rustmore. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Better, deeper sleep, all natural and healthy, more energy during the day. Let's hear more.
I've been getting the best sleep ever.
I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh and rested in the mornings.
I'm bright and alert. It has changed my life for the better.
I keep hearing from people who've been trying the product, same thing. It just puts them to sleep.
If you haven't tried Rustmore yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There you go. When you just need more rest, get Rustmore. There's an Amazon link in the description below.